Here's how to troubleshoot if your iPhone isn't detecting Bluetooth devices. 1. Check Bluetooth settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone and tap on Bluetooth, located just below Wi-Fi. In this menu, you'll see two sections: My Devices, previously connected devices, and Other Devices, new ones available for pairing. If no devices are listed under Other Devices, try turning Bluetooth off, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. After doing this, your iPhone should start scanning again, indicated by the spinning wheel at the bottom of the screen. 2. Forget and reconnect devices. If you see a device listed but it won't connect, tap the eye icon next to the device name and select Forget this device. Then, attempt to reconnect. 3. Check screen time settings. If the issue persists, go to Settings, Screen Time, and tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. If restrictions are enabled, scroll down to Bluetooth sharing and make sure it's not set to Don't Allow Changes. Alternatively, you can turn off content and privacy restrictions completely if it's unnecessary. 4. Reset network settings. If the problem still isn't resolved, try resetting your network settings. Go to Settings, then General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone, then Reset network settings. Enter your phone's passcode to confirm. This will restore your Bluetooth and network settings to their default configurations, which can fix bugs or glitches. 5. Check the other device. Remember, both your iPhone and the Bluetooth device need to be discoverable. Use a web browser to search for instructions specific to your device. For example, to make Bose headphones discoverable, you might need to press and hold the dedicated Bluetooth button. Other devices like speakers, cars, or headphones may have similar steps. 6. Ensure devices are charged and reboot. Both. Make sure both your iPhone and the Bluetooth device have enough charge. If needed, turn both devices off and back on to reset their connection. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any issues. If this guide helped you, hit the subscribe button below. It really supports me. Thanks, everyone.